Most equipment failures don't happen suddenly. They start weeks before you ever see a warning sign. Overheating connections, electrical hotspots, failing bearings, invisible to the naked eye until they're not. Infrared testing sees what you can't. RELCO's certified thermographers use state-of-the-art infrared cameras to scan your electrical, mechanical, and building systems for abnormal heat patterns before they become failures. It's more than catching a problem before it happens. Regular IR testing is part of a smarter preventive maintenance strategy, helping you improve equipment reliability, reduce unexpected downtime and repair costs, and support safer operations across your facility. You get a full report, annotated thermal images, severity ratings, and clear recommendations so you know exactly what to prioritize. Schedule your infrared assessment with RELCO, a Crete United company, today.